Good morning to one and all. Children, in the previous class, we have completed the poem I Remember, I Remember. So, I hope so you have understood the poem. So, today we will continue with the next lesson, that is After 20 Years. Okay, have a look to page number 41. So, this After 20 Years is the lesson and written by William Sidney. So before going into the details of the lesson, let's have a brief introduction about the writer William Sidney. Who is William Sidney Porter? Okay, so William Sidney Porter was born in the year 1828. He is known by his pen name. What is the name of his? O. Henry. O. Henry is the name of William Sidney Porter. Okay, pen name. He was an American writer. Who was he? He was an American writer. American writer. He is credited for writing over 250 stories that are known for their surprise endings. He is widely known and appreciated for his short story. So this William Sidney, he is known, he is very famous for writing 250 stories, and these short stories ending parts are very interesting that surprise the reader. Okay, so he is also widely known as that is he is famous and he is appreciated for his short story. Understood? So this was a brief introduction about William Sidney. If you want to know more about him, you can search in the website, you will get everything. Okay, so let's go to the lesson. The incident in this story take place at around 10 p.m. along a dark, windy New York City business avenue. It begins with a policeman who discovers a man standing in a dark doorway. The man then proceeds to explain why he is there. So this after 20 years, okay, these incidents took place around 10 p.m. at night in a dark, windy New York City. Okay, that is Business Avenue. The place is Business Avenue. So it begins, how the story begins, it begins with a policeman who discover a man standing, okay, man standing in a dark doorway. So the man then the man came to the policeman to explain why he was standing there, what he was doing there. So now let's start it with the lesson. The policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. The impressiveness was habitual and not for show, for spectators were few. The time was barely 10 o'clock at night, but chilly gust of wind with a taste of rain in them had well nigh depopulated the street. Here, the beat means an assigned route of a policeman. Well nigh depopulated means here nearly emptied. That kept early hours means where people went to bed. So what happened? The policeman, okay, policeman with his attitude, he went up where to the avenue impressively. So this was his work and he is habitual of his work. So he went there and he suspects something was there for a few minutes. Then at that time when the policeman went there, it was about 10 o'clock at night. But the chilly just wind with a taste of rain in them were nearly emptied. Okay, the street were emptied due to the rain. So next, have a look. The Vin City was one that kept early hours. Now and then you might see the lights of a cigar store or of an all-night lunch counter, but the majority of the doors belong to business places that had long since been closed. So here the Vin City was on, where was the Vin City? Was where people went to bed. So this was the place. The Vin City is the place where people went to bed early. So now and then you might see the light of a cigar. So now and then he see the light of a cigar. The policeman see the light of the cigar. That means like cigarette. Okay, store or of an all-night lunch counter. So he store the cigar. He store like a food for him in the counter. But the majority of the doors belong to businessmen places that had long since been closed. So here, though in Vin City people are sleeping and some of them are awake, but the majority of the doors that belong to the businessmen, the house belong to the businessmen, were long locked since been closed. Okay, locked since it has been closed before dawn only. So next, when about midway of a certain block, the policeman suddenly slowed his walk. In the doorway of a darkened hardware store, a man leaned with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up quickly. "It's all right, officer," he said. "I'm just waiting for a friend." So, when about in a midnight, the policeman suddenly he was doing his duty. The policeman was doing his duty. He was walking. He slowed down his work. So, in the doorway of a darkened hardware store, okay, there was a hardware store. A thin, that means a lean man with unlighted cigar in his mouth was standing. Okay, as he saw the policeman, as the man saw the policeman, the policeman was walking up to him. The man spoke up quickly. What did the man say to the policeman? He said that, "It's all right, officer." So he said that, "It's all right. Don't worry. I am not a thief. I am not a robber, but I am here because I am waiting for my friend." It's an appointment made 20 years ago. Sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? Well, I will explain if you would like to make certain it's all straight. About that long ago, there used to be a restaurant where this store stand, Big Joe Brady's restaurant. So the man said that, "Don't worry, officer, it's me and I'm standing here. I'm waiting for my friend." So here, it's an important, so here he said, this man said, who was standing, the thin and lean man said that it was an appointment that we had promised to meet after 20 years. So though it sound very funny or sound like funny for you, but it is true. So he said, "Well, then I can explain you in details." Like certain talk, it will write straightforward. So about that long ago, so there is to be, in this place there is to be a restaurant, and where this store stands. So there is to be a restaurant and this store. Okay, where we are standing, this store, here it is to be there. Then here, Big Joe, the name of the restaurant is Big Joe Brady's restaurant. So until 5 years ago, say the policeman, it was torn down then. So until when it became 20 years, after that what happened? It was torn down, then it was torn into pieces, everything. Okay, so the man in the doorway struck a match and lit his cigar. The light saw a pale square jar face with keen eyes and a little white scare near his right eyebrow. His captain was a large diamond oddly. So here the man in the doorway, what he was doing, he was such a man, he was lighting his cigar. So the light saw a pale square, that this is the introduction, this is the structure figure of the man. So pale square jaw face with keen eyes, that means eager eyes, and little white scare near his right eyebrow. Maybe some scare marks was nearby his right eyebrow. His scarfin was a large diamond oddly set. So when we are wearing sari, we used to put on a pin. So here same thing happened. This woman, his scarfin was a large diamond, they said, oddly said. 20 years ago tonight, said the man, I dined here at. So here the man said that before 20 years, no, I used to dine here. Dine here means, what do you mean by dine here? That means they come to have their lunch or dinner at the same place. Okay, so I hope so up to here you are clear enough, children. If you have any problem regarding the explanation, you can get back to me. Okay, so have a nice day. Take care.